India ki chana kya thing the line Kuki Gamen tadaba lanhouba khutlai paiba singsi ngasi koi kari hai tare hapu kangu na min taw ya amsa ne makoi ji kai Gamen tadaba madum bo singsi bo thengnaba ngamda koi pot amda lae maram di koina tasengna makoi da tawriba backing makoi da proxy kaino gi agent on scenery bisi kanano kaino je mayek senga tho e ta e aduna makoi na hujik separate administration separate adagi makoi gi boundary ma pami ba separate legislative power pami maram kai gino hai kanda swai te koina mamang da koina to channel sing ning je gi bani tasengna ENPO na koi gi Nagaland da laiba Eastern Nagaland People's Organization and Labor Port in 2010 dagi hawraga makoi tonganba separate state ama within Nagaland state demand proga lakado 2019 da makoi gi 12 point agreement ama kak makoina sign tawni moi gi Nagaland government ga madugi manungda makoi yanaba ma poraktana ekoina 5 February 2026 dagi chaista masi 20 keno dagi 2010 dagi after 26 years saiba tare 25 complete or 26 years sang pamatamda makoina karigumba makoina taliba poti manungda haitare makoi yamna underdeveloped on laigraba prolonged neglect lack of development socio-economic backward or compared to rest of the state of Nagaland or hariba makoi adugumba apex body dona represent tarokanda recognized Naga tribe Taruki district Tarukta moi 8 recognized Naga tribe laiba district Taruk makoina demand tor lako da makoina sign amaka Pinan, Piak Pinarakanda government got 5 February 2026 Nagiba, Hangiba, Frontier Nagaland Territorial Authority FNTA, Hariba Port, Madugi, Portuna, Madugi, Mogi, political development, political Amadi development of Eastern Nagaland, Portunga, Manitoba Port, Adugumna, Madugi Port, Mokogi, Article 371, Canada, A, the Piriba, Moi give special protection to Naga. Mogi Mogi religious or Mogi social practice Natraga customary law and land ownership matang the particularly Moko the Piba Portuna Masidi does not affect Article 371A of the Indian Constitution. We talked about Port of the Mina. I call it 371C the dito in a Yaude Madugi Portuga Hypet Madugi Mogi demand Silapo Gadra Matau Tambo Gadra Modi Mangaki Kuki State Demand Committee Haina Lega separate administration Nalama Haitole Kangu since a lot of misguided youth in hill particularly Kuki dominated areas sing Kuki and Maikum Upiba Kangu sing the Maduna Toiba Tabak Mayam sings the Kogi rule of law like the Tugai but Lamda Mamazu Ohenba Adama law enforcing agency mayam weakness mayam sing se Bukwena Madam Morga Ohenba Adana Masiki Potsila Sum Ekogi Iran sings skeleton of Lagatamba Port Mayam sing Puna Tengaban and Lowy Adana Suma Port Mayam sing se Queen of Zitam the report na Makogi Adugumba Huziki Furu Kangups in a Toriba port sings the Sing Harigadi Aramba port is a Kanga City Union Home Minister Hoichu Mangaide Makogi border pillar fencing Kagani border pillar area developed Togani buffer zone low Togani I wapam sings in Tamba Nangadra Moidra wapam was 100 with Inamasi Tazaba Wali High Porche Equi Sumba Port Mayam Singsiki Tenanaba constitutional provision will provide Yauri then emergency lautopi gera article 3 lautopi gera Tamamuda Lotokre emergency lautopi military crackdown state Amadi Union and Danaraganum Tobia Port Mayam told them Labanina Madugumba Rulo Handraba then Sumba India Komila Mida Yamna Maming Lava Malengi Oina Masak Naiba Le Komila Mi Oide Haragasu Manipur Gumba State Epic Pasio Lagadi Equata Sena Haragadi Equina Housing Shumba Kaita than Lord by 2023 me home the gay Equigi State came at the Horiba Union at the Horiba Lanjazu community Anito what the Halagadum Tamba Adana Husi Anova Garmenda Equin Kazaba Tamba Anova Pachakra Parevo Kango the Equina Kalamika and they are to rebuild the state and now required inclusivity inclusive inclusivity daka oi transparent oiba the accountability oiba resolved and commitment to a constitutional government madugi port to phangani na to port sing mayam sing do singumba thabak sing si makoi tasengna inclusive oiba the transparent oiba accountability oiba ino da haiba inclusivity kai haiba port sing mayam sing se koina u phangdabai port amada dum laigani aduba sumba lauthoi port mayam sing sidum adum uttagi haiba do adugi film taraga laigani adana Moigi elected mayam sing sukari makoi elected and tamizi to uphold the rule of law and ensure the safety, dignity, and the freedom of the general common people general public common people have been adum call adana try that anti-nationalistic, anti-democratic oiba aro unconstitutional oiba aduga masigi mayam sing se punish the within as par law of the land have a position as dum call toga mafam lamdam amada ngasi leire adana at this very critical juncture Manipuri history da adana ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯗ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ to provide a clear, stable and principled leadership to restore peace, development and mutual coexistence haiba potse even phangdoi pota laiba se asom the union ge subject union ge list yariba mayam sing se state ki oba subject state and tonba union ge oba subject union tonba potse dum chak chena yanjan raga laibadula koi inclusive oiba transparent oiba accountable oiba aduga ngasai constitutional governance ama lainaba good governance oino potse phangdamne lawi maram di kaino da law Tugari ba terrorist sing dugi damakta ekogi India gi fajakraba law mayama ma ikon toina haiba mastaring do mi yarong gani aikoina adugi manungda unlawful prevention unlawful activities prevention act 1962 laire adai armed forces terrorist and destructive activities prevention act 1987 tada lady adagi koina mu prevention of terrorism act adugi madugi 2002 koina pota na kan report lady adai quite latest of pota ko irang ji sun sagon raga laaba bharatiya nyay sainta gi 2023 gi magi section a ki magi 2020 gi section 113 da yawriba if kana gumba organizing association individual or any terrorist or be extremist or be any pot or just no mi or be maduna if threaten the unity, integrity, security, or economic security of India, or strike terrorists in the people, or but taragadi madugi potu madu punishment PBI have a potong asi for the amata arrest of the father of potna maram organ asi koina lay potse tawningi thamjaningi adana sumba pot mayam singse law singse arimda tahalaga lagi taragadi adum sumba irang sagali irang toiba mayam duna dum tong ko yenga laiba pot lai se aduna ni aduna madugi thammi bo wafam mayam ekogi union home minister Amit Shah na thama iba toiba mayam are mamangi lenga haiba taga su mamangi lenga lalama taragadi anobo mamangi contribution like that yam sume adugi potuma adubu mamangi lenga kya sume mayam doji anobo lenga na soibi aroi logi matungina ara chap chaba military crackdown tabu khangde ama khangde ko action tawune lokalaga tawbu taragadi madu prajana hena pang